do watch all the playlists, whichever you like. You can just start with the first video and continue watching all the videos for understanding the content better. Along with that, you can also get to see some concept videos, right? So do suggest me if you would like to know more about something, or if you want to know something about coding, right? So you can absolutely comment in the comment section below and do let me know about them. I will try to make a video on that. And yeah, let's get started with the speech recognizer app today. So to start off, we first have to design and then we'll be coding. So let's just rename the screen as speech recognizer. Speech recognizer. Okay. So let's just give a background color. Instead, instead of using a background color today, I would just like to use a background image. So let's see, speech recognizer. Let's see. Let's go to images. So I hope, I think I'll be using this one. This looks cool, right? So copy image address. Let's go back here. In the background picture, you just paste it. Wow. Don't worry about this thing here, right? When you preview, you can just see something different. Yeah, yeah, this is good. I just wanted something like this. Yeah, cool. I like it. So if you want, you can also change the picture resize mode to center. Let's check how does this go. Oh, I really don't like this. Better that I'm not choosing anything, because it was better without choosing anything. Yeah, yeah, this is cool. And then we can change the vertical alignment as space around. And then I think this is good. Yeah, this is cool. So I'm good with this. And yes, inside the speech recognizer, you can also add a title, right? So let's just add a title label. What did I just do? What happened to this? There's some lag in this, is what I feel, because the component is not coming along with my pointer. Okay, cool. Where did it just go? What? It's. Oh my god. Let me just delete this. Let's go to speech recognizer first. Okay. Let's just drag a label, place it on the screen here. Cool. Great. So now let's quickly rename this label as title label 1. Okay. So this label will be speech recognizer Yeah. So font size can be 30 and color can be bluish white is what I feel like. So let's just click on blue first. I think blue looks good, right? Maybe, yeah, this looks good, but the spelling is wrong. So speech recognizer, cool. Let's change the font weight to bold. Let's change the font family, as Times. Okay, this is good. Let's go to this, and you can definitely give left padding 10 pixels and right padding 10 pixels. Borders, definitely you can give a border 3 pixel, radius 5 pixel, color white. Yeah, seems to be good. Or we can also create an underline here. Let me just show you how to create an underline. So we have to click on styling in the advanced properties, right? So we have border here. Under this, we have border width here, okay? So let's say you want 0 on the top. You can just give 0. Like you can see here, left, we don't want left, so left 0. We don't want right, right 0, and bottom we only want 3, right? So this is how you can just create an underline like this, right? So this is fine, right? This looks cool. And this goes with the border radii also here, right? You can give different border radii for any of the components you're using. We'll discuss it. If there's any need, we will be discussing about that, right? Let's say I just want to create a banner for this, like a banner kind of a thing for this, right? Let's suppose I just want to add another label. I'll just duplicate this label. Okay. So on this title label too, I would just say banner label instead of speech recognizer. Let's say you spoke, you spoke, right? I just want it to be coming from right side. Okay. It's like this. Let's say let's change the font size to 20. Color can be this, or I would just like to change it to white color. Yeah, this is cool. And then let's go to advanced properties first, then styling. In styling, I don't want to give border. Okay, I don't want to give border right. I want to give border left as 3, border top also as 3. Okay, and right, I don't want any border. And border radii, top right shall be 0, bottom right also shall be 0. You can see the curves are getting removed, right? And then top left shall be 5, bottom left also shall be 5. Okay, so now what we can do is we can just make it go towards right side, right? So I'm just going to simple. On the label we can't change the alignment, right? So what? what can be done is we can actually add a row component. So let's just add a row. So yeah, I'm just dragging it over here. Then let's drag the banner label into this row. Oh, wait. Let's drag it again to place it inside the row. Okay. Now, on this banner label, not on the banner label, instead on the row, change the height as fit contents. Okay. After which, you can just scroll down and you can change the horizontal alignment to right. See, isn't it cool? Right? Let's say, let's change the text also a little bit. I would just change this to the speech recognized by the recognizer is. Okay. The speech recognized is. Let's write that. Cool. This looks like a banner, right? Which is coming to from right side. Okay. This is how you can style things. All right. Now let's just give some padding so that you have a good amount of spacing within the container, right? So top and bottom padding, 2 pixels is fine, I hope. Or maybe let's just give 3 pixels. Yeah, this looks cool, right? So this is how you can just give a different kind of a style, right? So it can enhance the elements whichever you are styling, correct? So this is all about the style. And if you want to give a 3D kind of effect on this, right, you absolutely can do that. Just go to advanced, right, click on styling, just scroll down and change the width. It is 3 always, right? So don't give 3 always, okay? Change this to 2 or 1. You can do this, right? You can increase left border to 5 and bottom border also to 5. See, it gives that 3D kind of effect now, right? It looks like a raised kind of a banner, correct? I'll just show you. Let me just preview this one to show you. So this gives a raised effect, isn't it? So likewise, you can add anything, whatever you would like to. Okay. So let's do some similar kind of effect on a button. Okay. So I would just like to add a button now because for recognizing that speech, you should have some trigger, right? So that would definitely be a clickable component. So that's why I'm just dragging a button. Let's add it outside the row. So also, let's say we'll just rename the row. Yeah, let's rename the row as banner row. Okay. And then I would just click on this arrow to minimize that so that we can quickly drag a button. Let me just do it again. So I would just drop it here. Yes. So let's just rename this button as the button name would be listen button, right? Because it will be listening to things. So listen. And let's go here, change the text as listen. Okay. And font size can definitely be 20. Text, I would just like to leave it Or I will change the text color to blue. Okay. And then I want to change the background color to white. Yes, yes, I like this. And also, you can make it font bold so that it looks clear. Font italic and raised button. Definitely, it can be a raised button. Then, now again, let's just quickly give 3 pixel border here. Border radius, I would just like to give 0. I don't want any radius mostly. So yeah, then let's just give a color. Let's give blue color, solid border. Yes, you have a blue color solid border, right? But if you want to give such kind of effect like you gave for the label, you would definitely, I would say, rather giving 0, I would say 5. This looks cool, right? So let's go to advanced properties here. Then click on styling and let's just change the border width. Okay. So top, I would say 1. Okay. And left, let's say 5. Bottom, let's say 5. And right, I would say 3. Okay. This is how the effect is. Let's say 2. Top also rather giving 1, I would say 2. So this is something like this, or we can, I think this is also cool. Let's just quickly run it and check. Yeah, yeah, I like this. This is also good. It seems to be like a little raised. It is already a raised button, and it looks more raised, and it has the 3D effect on it, like a shadow kind of effect on it, right? Don't at all worry if you want to give shadow. You also have that shadow thing here. Okay, so you can absolutely choose a shadow here. I'm just giving a gray shadow. Okay, so then shadow shadow opacity is 0. Maybe we can give 1. Shadow radius is 3. Then shadow offset width maybe 5. Height 5. How will you see this effect again is, let's click on preview. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. This is cool. So opacity, it shouldn't be 1. Maybe I would give half, so 0.5. Preview. Yeah, yeah, this has a very light effect on it. Okay. I think this would suit. Okay. Likewise, you have so many other options here, right? So this is how we can style our app. And yeah, I also want a label. So I would say I would just duplicate this complete row and make the text come from left, right towards right side. Okay. So let's just quickly click on this row, then scroll down and you can duplicate this row, duplicate, so it becomes banner row 1. Yeah, that's okay. So first let's just minimize this banner row, drag the listen button and place it on top of it. Yeah, cool. Yes, this is what we want. And let's click on the row first. Click on Simple Properties and change the horizontal alignment from right towards left because we want it to come from left. Okay. And then let's scroll down. So let's just quickly go to this label, right? Now we would want to go to Advanced Properties, Styling. Now, so we don't want the left border, right? So left should be 0 and right should be 5. Yeah. Along with that, border radius, we have to change border radius. So border radius, top left will be 0, bottom left will be 0, top right will be 5, bottom right will be 5, not 55. See, this is the coolest effect we got again, right? So this is coming towards like towards left and this is towards right. Wow, this is cool. We can also change the text style. So maybe I would choose Roboto. Okay, it's good, right? So let's go to simple properties and let's just remove this text. Okay. So whatever description we can say, recognize text maybe, or speech recognized. Just for the sake of display, I'm just writing this. Okay, nothing much over here, right? Now we would also want to add a speech recognizer because without that, this will not work. So I'm just dragging it and placing it on the screen here. And this is a non-visible component. So we can now click on speech recognizer and then click on blocks. So yes, when button one click, so instead of button one, I would say it's listen button, right? So let's choose when listen button click, set speech recognizer, default languages English US, call speech recognizer, listen. So, and then we have to set banner label 1 text to value. So you can just drag in this value and place it over here. So basically, from speech recognizer, we are calling this listen function, okay, method. So this is to listen, right? And whatever it is listening, that is inside value. And that value, we are showing it on the banner label, okay? This is how it is. Let's just quickly live test and just see the output. But we can't execute this here because this only works on a mobile phone. You can definitely look at the output. This is how it is looking like, right? I just i just am amazed with this. It's so cool. I really like it, right? It has a very cool advanced design. Nice. So this is how it is. Okay, so whenever you click on listen button, right, it starts listening. Okay, and it shows the text over here. All right, that's how it works. And yes, this is all about the thing. If you have any questions or concerns, you can definitely do let me know, right? You can definitely execute this on your mobile phone, Thunkable Live app. This will work. I have checked it. So it absolutely works. I think I can just execute it and I can just show you. Show you in the sense you can listen to the sound, whatever it is recognizing, right? So I would just open Thunkable Live app, open the app over here. Then, wow, it looks so cool on the mobile phone. It's absolutely similar to this. Yes, definitely. So I'm just clicking on listen. Hi, folks. How are you all doing today? Wow. Wow, it shows how you doing. It only could listen that. Hi, folks. How are you doing today? Whoa. Yes. Yes, it is absolutely showing the same thing. So you could hear that sound, right? A small sound while it is starting to listen. So that's how it is. Okay. Once you stop speaking something, it just comes out of the listening part and it will show the text on the label, right? This is how it is. Wow, this is absolutely cool. And I really like this app design. And you also have got to understand how to design something really cool. Yes, some advanced designing stuff we understood today. So this is all about our today's session. I would just like to meet you all in my next session. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I would come up with another video in the next session. Okay. Till then, you know what you have to do. You have to keep watching my videos. Go back to my channel, Folks Hub. Do watch whatever you like. Right. There are so many playlists. Start with any content. Start from the first video. Okay, please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Folks Hub. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Have a great day, all. Bye bye.